Hi there guys, demak sizlar bilan birgalikda davom etamiz. 6-unitimizning va nihoyat Vox Pops eng qiziqarli qismlaridan bittasi va siz shu paytgacha o'rgangan barcha mavzularingizdagi nafaqat devizlar, balkim oldingi unitlardagi o'rgangan vocabulary qismlarini ham demak real holatda, ya'ni realni ko'rish imkoniyati, analyze qilish imkoniyati, va analyze qilish imkoniyati sizlar bilan birgalikda bo'ladi. Demak, sizlar bilan birgalikda Vox Pops videosini tomosha qilishni boshladik. Demak, birinchi navbatda bizda 6-unitimiz haqidagi Vox Pops tagida berilgan va o'sha qismni ochib oldik hammamiz barchamiz. Demak, 6 video, places and facilities. Asosan bu yerda joylar va imkoniyatlar, qulayliklar haqida ketadi. Bizga umumiy, demak, 5 ta inson demak tomosha qilamiz va ular bizga o'zlarining o'sha shaharlaridagi, ya'ni town bu yerda shaharcha, demak ko'rishimiz mumkin mana bu yerda what facilities has your town got. Demak, qanaqangi imkoniyatlari bor shaharchangizda deyilyapti. Ko'rdingizmi? Ya'ni o'zi tug'ilib o'sgan joyiga nisbatan, yashaydigan joyiga nisbatan aytilyapti. Yoki bo'lmasam describe a hotel you know well. Yoki bo'lmasa you know. Demak, siz biladigan mehmonxonangizni tasvirlab bering. Demak, ikkita narsa haqida sizlar bilan birgalikda gaplashamiz va biz videoni tomosha qilish jarayonida har bitta qismini to'xtatib analyze qilib ketamiz va shu bilan birgalikda bizda exercise'larimizdagi mana bu demak ikkita qismi, ya'ni bu yerda bizga demak 1 dan 5 gacha gap berilgan va biz bu yerda nimalarga ega bo'lsa, misol uchun aytadigan bo'lsa beach, shops, banks belgilab ketishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Va mana bu yerda esa keyin describe the hotel you know ga o'tganimizda esa bu yerda nimalari bor, demak o'sha mehmonxona bilgan insonlar, demak o'sha mehmonxonada nimalari bor haqida gapirib o'tsa, o'sha narsalarni siz birin-ketinlik bilan belgilab ketishingiz kerak. Agar bo'lmasa, demak yo'q bo'lsa, belgilashingiz shart emas. Demak, tushundingmi? Let's move on, guys. Birinchi boshidan oxirigacha tomosha qilamiz va undan keyin yana boshidan sizlar bilan tahlil qilamiz. Agar siz new vocabulary demak come across, ya'ni duch kelsangiz, albatta yozib olishingiz kerak bo'ladi.
What facilities has your town got?
Demak, has your town got deyildi. Demak, what facilities has your town got? Demak, siz shaharchangizda qanaqangi inshootlar yoki imkoniyatlar, qulayliklar bor deb tarjima qilishingiz mumkin. In Bournemouth, ya'ni bu yerda joy ketilyapti. Demak, bilib oldingiz va shu tartibda davom etsak bo'ladi.
There's a beautiful beach.
Got.
In Bournemouth, there is a beautiful beach, lots of shops, parks, and cinemas.
I'm from Birmingham, and there are lots of shops and museums. There's a big new library, and there are some really great parks.
I'm from Bicester in England, and in my town there are restaurants, cafes, hotels, parks. There's a cinema, and there are lots of shops.
I'm from Glasgow, and Glasgow has everything. There are restaurants, shops, cinemas, theatres. There's a beautiful park and a fantastic museum.
In Manchester, there is a big shopping centre. There is a large old museum, and there is a beautiful art gallery.
Describe a hotel you know.
Demak, bu yerda ikkinchi qismiga o'tilyapti, ya'ni mehmonxona haqida.
Know a hotel in Delhi that has.
No.
I know a hotel in Delhi that has a swimming pool, a lift, and a restaurant.
I really like a hotel that's in Istanbul. It's a really old hotel. Each room has got a balcony and a really beautiful bathroom.
My favourite hotel is the Empire Hotel in Brunei, and I love it. It's a beautiful big hotel. There's a golf course, there are swimming pools, there is one very big swimming pool, there's a beautiful beach, there are many restaurants. Each room has a big bed, a big bathroom, a safe and a balcony.
I love the Hotel Portaventura in Salou in Spain. Each room has got Wi-Fi, a television, and a big bed. It has got 3 swimming pools, and there are 3 restaurants.
I know a hotel in Germany It has a large swimming pool and each room has a balcony. It also has newspapers every day and free Wi-Fi.
Well guys, juda ham qiziqarli video tomosha qildik sizlar bilan birgalikda va har xil davlatlardagi o'sha mehmonxonalar haqida ham ma'lumotga ega bo'ldik. Demak, qanaqangi qulayliklarga ega borligini ham tanishib oldik. Endi esa, demak, analyze qilib ketamiz va shu bilan birgalikda siz exerciselarni birin-ketinlik bilan qilib ketishingiz kerak bo'ladi.
What facilities has your town got?
In Bournemouth, there is a
There is, demak, in Bournemouthda, demak, berilgan, Francis haqida ma'lumot berilyapti. There is deyilyapti.
beautiful beach,
Beautiful beach, demak, bizda beach berilgan, demak, sohil, aynan, demak, chiroyli sohil bor deydi, belgilab qo'ydik.
lots of shops,
Lots of shops, lots of degani ko'p, ya'ni ko'plab do'konlar bor ekan.
parks,
Parks,
and cinemas.
cinemas, demak, kinoteatr va parklar ham bor ekan, okay. Endi keyingi insonimizdan keyin xuddi shu tartibda belgilab ketamiz.
I'm from Birmingham,
I'm from Birmingham, demak, Birminghamdanman.
and there are lots of shops
Then there are lots of shops, demak, ko'plab do'konlar bor.
and museums.
Museums, demak, muzeylar.
There's a big new library.
Demak, ko'rishimiz mumkin, there is a big new library deyildi. Demak, katta kutubxona bor deyilyapti, yangi.
And there are some really great parks.
There are bilan berilyapti, ya'ni bu yerda ko'plik ketilyapti, ya'ni bor deyilyapti. Demak, nima deyildi? Parks deyildi.
I'm from Bicester in England,
I'm from Bicester, demak, Bisterdanman.
and in my town there are
In my town there are deyapti, ko'rdinglar? Mani shaharchamda bor deyilyapti.
restaurants,
Restaurants, cafes,
hotels,
hotels,
parks.
parks.
There's a cinema,
There's, ko'rdinglarmi? There's, qisqartirib bo'ladi. There's a cinema.
and there are lots of shops.
There are lots of shops. Shuning uchun biz shopsni belgilab qo'yamiz. Okay, demak, so'ziga keldik endi.
I'm from Glasgow, and
I'm from Glasgow. Glasgowdaman.
Glasgow has everything.
Glasgow has everything. Demak, Glasgowda hamma narsa bor deyilyapti.
There are restaurants,
There are restaurants. Demak, biz restaurants belgiladik.
shops,
Shops. Ko'rdinglar? Demak, biz o'rgangan mavzularimizni sekin speakingda qaytarishyapti. There is.
cinemas,
Cinemas. Va ko'rdinglarmi? Har bitta gapga there is shop, there is nimadir deb gapirilmayapti. Boshida ishlatildi va xuddi shu tartibda ketilyapti. Agar ko'plik bo'ladigan bo'lsa, there are deb boshida aytildi, keyin u yerda otingizni qo'yib ketdingiz. Agar shu yerda siz birlikda qanaqadir ot ishlatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, albatta biz there is deb qo'ysangiz, albatta yaxshi bo'ladi. Theaters, ya'ni kinoteatrlar yoki teatrlar desak ham bo'ladi, chunki cinema deb ishlatildi.
there's a beautiful park and a
There is a beautiful, ko'ringlarmi, there is qo'yildi.
fantastic museum.
And fantastic museum va zo'r muzey bor deyildi.
In Manchester, there is a
In Manchester, ya'ni UK, demak Manchesterga nisbatan aytilyapti, Manchesterda deyilyapti.
In Manchester, there is a big shopping centre.
There is, ko'ringlarmi, there is birlikda ishlatilyapti. There is a shopping center, ya'ni o'sha savdo markazi, xarid qilish markaziga nisbatan aytilyapti.
There is a large old museum.
There is a large old museum, demak katta qadimiy muzey ham bor deyilyapti.
And there is a beautiful art gallery.
Va bundan tashqari art gallery ham, chiroyli art gallery ham bor ekan. Okay guys, endi esa biz hozir tekshirmaymiz va ikkinchi qismiga describe a hotel you know, ya'ni siz biladigan mehmonxona haqidagi ma'lumotni sizlar bilan birgalikda to'ldirib ketamiz. Okay. So, let's move on.
Describe a hotel you know.
I know a hotel in Delhi.
Demak, Dehlidagi men mehmonxonani bilaman.
Has a swimming pool.
It has, ya'ni has degani bor degani. It has a swimming pool, demak swimming poolni belgilaymiz.
A lift.
Lift, bu yerda lekin lift yo'q.
And a restaurant.
And the restaurants. Demak, bu yerda restoran so'zimiz bor, shuning uchun restoranni belgilab qo'yamiz.
I really like a hotel
I really like a hotel. Men haqiqatan ham yaxshi ko'raman mehmonxonani.
that's in Istanbul.
That's in Istanbul. Demak, Istanbuldagi
It's a really old
it's a really old, juda ham qadimiy
hotel.
mehmonxona ekan.
Each room has got
Each room ko'rdinglarmi? Ich ham o'tgandagi har bir xonada bor.
a balcony
Demak, bizda balcony bor, shuning uchun balcony belgiladik.
and a really beautiful bathroom.
A really beautiful bathroom. Demak, bu yerda bathroom yo'q, shuning uchun belgilamadik.
My favourite hotel is the Empire Hotel.
Demak, mani eng sevimli mehmonlardan bittasi albatta Empire Hotel ekan, mehmonxonasi.
In Brunei, and
Yana Bruneyda ekan, joyi aytildi.
I love it. It's
Demak, sevaman uni.
a beautiful big hotel.
Juda ham chiroyli katta mehmonxona.
There's a golf course.
There's ko'rdinglarmi? There is bizga o'xshab turib, there is deyilmayapti. There's deyilyapti, okay? There is golf course deyilyapti.
There are swimming pools.
There are swimming pools deyildi. Demak, swimming pool desak bo'ladimi? Da. Demak, biz belgilasak bo'ladi.
There is one very big swimming pool. There's a beautiful
Bitta katta swimming pool, ya'ni basseyn deyildi, bor deyildi.
beach. There are many restaurants.
Demak, restoranlar bor ekan.
Each room has a big bed, a big
Big bed ham bor ekan har bitta xonada. Ya'ni yotoq,
bathroom,
demak, o'sha yuvinish xonasi,
a safe and a balcony.
safe and balcony. Va bizda safe bilan balcony bor ekan. Shuning uchun biz bu yerda jadvalimizda balcony bo'lgani uchun balconyni belgiladik.
I love the Hotel Port Aventura in
Demak, I love the hotel in Port Avenue deyildi. Yana bitta eshitamiz.
I love the Hotel Port Aventura
I love the hotel in Port Aventure dedi. Demak, Port Aventuredagi mehmonxonani sevaman deyildi.
in Salou in Spain. Each room
Demak, Ispaniyada ekan.
has got Wi-Fi,
Each room has got Wi-Fi. Demak, bizda har bitta xonada Wi-Fi bor deyildi. Shuning uchun Wi-Fi ni belgilaymiz.
a television,
A television. Demak, bizda television yo'q.
and a big bed.
And big bed. Shuning uchun big bedni belgilab qo'yamiz.
It has got 3 swimming pools,
And 3 swimming pools dedi. Demak, biz bu yerda swimming poolni belgilab qo'yamiz.
and there are 3 restaurants.
And there are 3 restaurants. Demak, va restoranni ham belgilab qo'yamiz. Demak, 3 ta restoran bor deyildi.
I know a hotel in Germany.
I know hotel in Germany. Demak, men bitta mehmonxonani bilaman Germaniyadagi.
It has a large swimming pool
It has a large swimming pool. Demak, katta basseyni bor deyildi.
and each room has a balcony.
Each room has a balcony. Har bitta xonada balkon bor deyildi. Biz balkonni belgilaymiz.
It also has newspapers every day and
Demak, shuningdek har kuni gazetalar ham bor deyildi
free Wi-Fi.
va Wi-Fi ham bor deyildi. Okay guys, demak biz sizlar bilan birgalikda exerciselarni ham qildik va demak shu qatori har bitta qismini analiz qilib chiqdik va exerciselarni demak aynan mana shu hotel va town, ya'ni shaharchada nimalar borligi haqida bilib oldik. Endi esa biz bitta tekshirib olamiz sizlar bilan birgalikda. Okay guys, well done. There is no mistake. Fantastic. Congratulations. Demak, ko'rishimiz mumkin, hech qanaqangi bir xato qilmadinglar. Agar siz mana shu videoni ko'rish jarayonida qandaydir bir qiyinchilik duch kelsa, siz mana shu demak Navigate Unit 6 demak Voxpops deb YouTube sahifalariga yozsangiz chiqadi va u yerdagi demak subtitle, ya'ni tegidagi yozuvni yoqib qo'ygan holatda tomosha ham qilishingiz mumkin. Demak, siz bugundan boshlab agar siz inglizlar bilan gaplashish jarayonida ular shaharlarni tasvirlab beradigan bo'lsa, albatta siz bemalol tushuna olasiz.